everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a haul with you guys, and this is Miniso haul. Yes, this weekend we went to CP and I saw the store Miniso there. I always heard about that store, but I was never been to, so I thought, okay, why not check it out, and I got a lot of stuff from there. If you don't know about what Miniso is a Japanese store where you get a lot of things related to your cookware, your household items, your organizing stuff, stationery, and a lot of beauty stuff as well. So they have a lot of variety of these stuff, so I picked quite few for myself. It's very similar to Daiso in US. So I've been to Daiso, so I found Miniso and Daiso quite similar. So Daiso is not in India, so Miniso is just like a Daiso version of India. That's what I feel. So without wasting any time, let's just see what I got from Miniso. So the very first thing I got is this is Solar Slimming Cosmetic Instrument. This is like a rolling massage thing for your face. So I always wanted to have something like this, you know, to massage onto my face. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so you can use it on your back, on your thighs, on your arms, so you can use anywhere, even on your neck. So yeah, so I got it just to, you know, try it. So I don't know how it works, and yeah, so this one was for 590 rupees, and this is how it looks like. I think it's solar, I don't know, I have to figure out how to use it. Like, you can massage your jawline, your cheekbone area, and other stuff like your neck. So I'll see how to use it, how will it work. So I think this is one of the most expensive thing I got from Miniso. I also got one bag, which is, I think that's the most expensive, and this is like the second most expensive thing I got from Miniso. Anyways, let's move on to other things. Next I got is this massager. I have already used it. This is like a head massager, you know, where you can like do like this and it can massage your head, and I really liked it. Harry also liked it a lot, and it came in this kind of packaging. Yeah, so I've used it already. So yeah, this was the packaging of it, and this retailed for 150 Indian rupees, and I think it's a lot much better than the wire head massagers you get in the market, because they poke your head a lot. Unlike this actually feels like fingers are massaging your head, which is really good. I really liked this product. Yes, loved it. And yeah, this one was retailed for 150 Indian rupees. Now let's check out what else I got. Okay, then I got like a mixture of stuff, some beauty stuff, some random kitchen stuff as well. So this is like a kitchen stuff. This is like a kitchen towel, you know, to wipe your hands. So I'll just put it on my kitchen. This also retailed for 150 Indian rupees. It has like a teddy bear face on it, which is cute. Then I got some beauty stuff as well. So I got these Beauty Tools non-slip eyebrow trimmers. I never used these kind of shavers or trimmers on my face, like even for my eyebrows or my facial hair. I never used. I always go for threading. So I thought, okay, why not pick it up? Let's try it on my face, like to remove my facial hair and eyebrows, and to trim my eyebrows, to remove the upper lips. So yeah, so I just picked these, and these also retailed for 150 Indian rupees. Alright, so then I got these alligator clips. These are 5 of them, and again these retails for 150 Indian rupees. And yeah, they are very handy if you want to make any hairstyle. I do have alligator clips, but they're back in Chandigarh, so you know, I have a lot of stuff which I have to like keep there, because I take bookings there, so I can't travel with every stuff here and there. So I wanted some alligator clips for here, so that's why I got these 5 clips, and I think 5 will work good for me. So yeah, these are the alligator clips. Then I got rollers. Yes, so I got these rollers. These are 8 of them, and they are medium sized rollers. And there they had like 2 sizes. One were like big huge sized rollers, and then there were these rollers which were medium rollers. So I picked the medium one because I like tight curls as compared to like, you know, big voluminous curls. I like tight curls, so that's why I picked them up. Again, these rollers were for 150 Indian rupees. Then I got this head wrap, and this is a Miniso head wrap, ultra fine coral fleece head wrap, and it also have like lovely cat ears over it, so which I found it to be like really cute. And this also retailed for 150 Indian rupees. I always wanted like a headband because whenever I used to do my makeup, my hair used to come all over my face. That's why I wanted like a good headband, and I found it like really cute because of the ears. That's why I got it. And let me just show you how it looks like on me. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let me just wear and see how it works. Okay, so this is how it looks on me. It looks really cute. I think it will look really cute in my makeup tutorials. Yeah, so this is what I got for 150 Indian rupees. Alright, I think I'm done with all the things. I'm just left with one thing, which is the bag. Yes, this is the most expensive thing in a whole lot I purchased, and this is the bag I got from Miniso. It's like camel colored bag, really nice quality, and it's like a backpack but very chic and very girly. So I really liked it, and yeah, and it's quite spacious as well. You can, you know, carry a lot of stuff. So I really liked the bag, and yeah, and this bag retailed for 790 Indian rupees, and yes, that's the most expensive purchase from Miniso of mine. So yeah, this is how the bags looks like. So those were all of the things I got from Miniso, and I think the total money I spent at Miniso was around 2200, which is amazing. I got a lot of things like bag to rollers to massager to you know, shaver, and yeah, I was quite happy with my purchase, and I liked the stuff as well. They're good quality, and I am very happy with my purchase. So that's it for my Miniso haul. I hope you liked this video, and if you're watching me for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.